principle of karma. The meaning of karma. The karma or karma is derived from the Sanskrit root kra, which means to do or act. More specifically, any activity that a jeev, performs with the body, senses, and antakaran, that is mind, is karma. To breathe, eat, drink, sleep, walk, laugh, cry, and even think are forms of karma. The principle of karma states that for every deed performed by a person, there is resultant fruit, that is phal, which is good, that is shubh, or bad, or ashubh, depending on the nature of deed. Auspicious karmas yield good fruits, and bad karmas result in bad fruits. The fruits can be either instant or ripen with time. To be born out later. It is said in Yog Vashishta Ramayana, O Rama, O Ram, or O Rama, the result of good deeds is good, while that of bad deeds is bad. With this knowledge, do as you please. In Bruhadrakranya Upanishada 3-13, Punya vay punyena karmana bhavanti papah papena, that is, punya meritorious deeds, punya or meritorious deeds lead to punya, that is merit, while evil deeds lead to further evil, that is pap. In Charak Samhita, Charak Rishi, the ancient physician of Ayurveda, mentions karma in his Charak Samhita. On the basis of his realized knowledge, it can be inferred that a person in this birth enjoys the fruit of ineradicable, imperishable, and binding karmas of past births. He who performs binding karmas with the present body has to bear them in future births. Just as one can infer the seed from its fruit and the fruit from its seed. In Sushrut Samhita, Sushrut Rishi, the ancient surgeon and the father of plastic surgery, attributes some diseases to karmas in his Sushrut Samhita, that is, killing noble people and females and looting property belonging to others. Such pap karmas in past or present births results in incurable diseases.